following story of collaboration is brought to you by Neenah, Neenah's design team, and Fey Printing, and talks about using a color trend across multiple substrates to create an inspiring piece for designers.
So one of the primary missions at Neenah in the marketing department is to inspire. So there's many ways to inspire designers. I mean, obviously we have a wide variety of papers, but we always like to pull in trends and show them what's current. So when Pantone announced their color of the year, it was really exciting. So Very Peri was the color of the year, and we immediately dive into our swatch books, and we found that we had several shades of Astrobrights that worked really well. Now, Astrobrights isn't a paper that designers are going to use for all of their communications, so we wanted to think about ways to incorporate that color into usable components that they might use in their own marketing.
I took that brief as the designer, and I actually went to the Pantone palettes that they suggest, and we were really drawn to the Star of the Show palette because it's lots of neutrals, there's a black in there as well, and it really spoke to us about the array of substrates that we offer. It just felt like a natural blend. Our collaboration with Fey Printing was just so important to achieve that Neenah standard that everyone is used to.
When we received the assignment from Neenah to produce the Very Peri project, we worked with Pantone to create the Very Peri color. We made drawdowns of the Very Peri color on the different substrates to make sure everything matched across the palette. It was very important that the color had to match across the different substrates and also different textures of their paper. Also included with that was the foil stamping. We had die cutting, we had embossing, and everything had to match throughout the printing processes. When we were completing the project, the collating order was very important also. So the finishing techniques throughout the piece were important to make sure we had a quality project. The different processes that were used to produce the Very Peri project were everything from letterpress printing, offset printing, foil stamping, die cutting, embossing. So all of them had to come together to make the piece the way it is and the way it came out. It was very important that everything looked nice together, everything had to go together. The collating order, we produced some different screen values of the Very Peri color to make it work on the different substrates. Collaborating with Neenah early on with this project was very important. It made the project the best it could be, and the designers would be very inspired by this.
So as you can see, collaboration early on in any project, especially when you have something so color critical across many substrates, is absolutely part of the success of any project. To learn more about Neenah and Fey Printing, please look at the show notes. Visit projectpeacock.tv to learn about all our partners and our upcoming programming. Until next time, print long and prosper.